Hi, welcome to another Head Home with Winning Appliances. I'm Gianni, I'm culinary expert. Today in a winning kitchen we're going to cook with SMEG. And today I'm going to make a very simple recipe of ricotta gnocchi mixed in amazing SMEG standard mix and then cooked in a combi steam oven. This is about 500 grams of fresh ricotta. So ricotta is of course the main ingredient of this recipe. If the ricotta is a little bit too wet, it's recommended to dry up a little bit. So how can you dry up a little bit? So basically it's nice to put in a cloth and squeeze a little bit and get out the water in excess. Then here we got around 150 grams of grated Parmesan, 18 months. In here double whole flour, about 100 grams. 2 egg yolk, seasoned with some salt and crackling pepper, white pepper in this case. Otherwise, if you put the black one, it's gonna look like black spots in your gnocchi. Put the cover on. It comes with 10 different levels of mixing. In this case, I'm using the pedal. It's an ergonomic design. This one is the newest model, comes with all in one color. The capacity of the bowl is 4.8 liter. It works very well. And also on the part here in front, it can be attached to so many different attachments like a slicer, grater or mincer. I can say they're almost ready. That's my dough. And then we need a piping bag. It's a why piping bag? Because for this recipe, you don't have to stress out to stretch your gnocchi. I'll show you how. Just simply put the dough in your piping bag. Cut a quite thick size, and then you roll it on your chopping board, in this way. And then easily you can cut it, your gnocchi. Very easy to make. I prepared here already a perforated tray with parchment paper, ready to go. And I preheat already my oven. I preheat in the full steam function. I'm going to make another couple of gnocchi. Okay, now that my gnocchi are rolled in a nice tray with the parchment paper, and my oven is steaming, just open gently, you can see all the steaming coming up. Just put it there in the middle, and I would like to cook it for 4 minutes. Press start, and the oven is gonna beep when they're ready. If you haven't got a steam oven like this SMEG, you can always boil your gnocchi in boiling water. The things I really like about SMEG, it's a family business, just like Winning Appliances. It's been 4 minutes cooking the steam oven, SMEG oven, and now my gnocchi is done. So now let's do the sauce. It's very similar to butter sage sauce, just a little bit of modification there. So what I'm going to do, just put the butter, just melting my butter. And now I would like just to put like 2 pieces of garlic cloves. I really like the infusion of garlic with butter. In here we also have like fresh thyme, toasted almond flakes, fresh tomato fillet, and of course Parmigiano Reggiano. And then we got some salt and pepper to seasoning. So now we can go with thyme. Now they start infuse, I can then put my gnocchi in there. Easily just move it like this. Season with some salt, fresh pepper, Parmesan cheese. Just bring the flavor all together. And now we're going to plate it up in a nice pasta bowl. So I'm going to finish with some fresh tomato fillet, thyme as decoration, and few drops of almond flakes and a little bit of Parmesan. So this is my butter thyme, almond flakes, ricotta gnocchi cooked in an amazing combi steam oven. Follow us on Instagram or jump on our website to get more recipes like this.